Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a single-use Afterpay card. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments. A single-use Afterpay card is a virtual card that can be used to make a one-time purchase. To get started, you need to have an Afterpay account and have the Afterpay app installed on your device. Open the Afterpay app and navigate to the card section. Here you will find the option to create a single-use card. Select the single-use card option and choose the amount you want to spend. The amount you choose will be the maximum amount that can be spent using the single-use card. You will then be asked to confirm your identity and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have confirmed the details, a single-use card will be generated. This card will have a unique card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use this card to make a purchase online or in store wherever Afterpay is accepted. When making a purchase with your single-use card, enter the card details as you would with a regular credit or debit card. Make sure to use the correct expiration date and security code. After you have made a purchase with your single-use card, the amount will be split into installments, and you will receive a payment schedule. You can view your payment schedule and make payments in the Afterpay app. It is essential to keep in mind that a single-use card can only be used once and for a single purchase. If you want to make another purchase, you will need to generate a new single-use card. Also be aware of the fees associated with using Afterpay and make sure you understand the terms and conditions before making a purchase. In conclusion, using a single-use Afterpay card is a convenient and secure way to make purchases and pay for them in installments. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can use a single-use card with confidence. Remember to always keep track of your payments and make timely payments to avoid any late fees.